What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest update from the world of dancehall, reggae, and Jamaican entertainment. Today, we are covering some major stories making headlines, including Buju Banton receiving a special honor in Florida, ongoing discussions surrounding Vybz Kartel latest album, Ricky Trooper speaking out about Kilimanjaro, and reaction to Jamaica recent island-wide blackout. If you enjoy dancehall news and entertainment updates, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notification so you never miss an update. Let's jump right into it. Legendary reggae icon Buju Banton has added another impressive achievement to his career. During a recent appearance in Florida, city officials represented the artist with the key to the city, recognizing his contribution to music and culture over the years. The presentation featured local government representatives who praised Buju for his influence and the positive impact he has made worldwide. Moments like these continue to showcase how Jamaican artists are being celebrated on an international stage and remind fans just how powerful reggae music remains across the globe. Many supporters have been expressing pride on social media, saying honors like these continue to put Jamaica in the global spotlight. Veteran selector Ricky Trooper is making headline after opening up about his relationship with the legendary Kilimanjaro sound system. Trooper explained that after investing years of work and dedication into the sound, he believed he should have been allowed to represent it on an overseas tour. According to his comments, he feels disappointed by how the situation was handled and believes more communication could have prevented the disagreement. Fans have been divided online, with some supporting Trooper's position, while others believe management has the final decision regarding the brand. Meanwhile, Vybz Kartel's latest project continues to spark conversation throughout the dancehall community. Several personalities have praised the album, describing it as a creative and filled with unexpected lyrical combination. Despite strong support from fans, discussions are also take place about chart position and streaming numbers, with some people questioning how different projects are performing across various platforms. Regardless of the debate, the album continues to receive significant attention both locally and internationally. One of the biggest talking point across Jamaica this week has been the unexpected island-wide blackout that left thousands of residents without electricity for several hours. Almost immediately after the lights went out, social media platforms exploded with videos, photos, live streams, and countless theories about what may have caused the outage. Some people simply shared their experiences, while others started connecting the blackout to recent events happening around the island. A number of online personalities questioned whether there was more to the story than what had been officially reported. They pointed to reports of unusual power fluctuation in the days leading up to the outage and speculated about possible connections to other events, encouraging their followers to pay closer attention. On the other hand, several commentators urged Jamaicans to remain calm and avoid spreading unverified information. They reminded the public that island-wide outage, although inconvenient, have happened before and that technical failures can affect large sections of the power grid. One popular entertainer argued that if a blackout lasting less than half a day caused so much panic and frustration, it shows just how dependent modern society has become on electricity. According to his view, many people quickly became anxious without access to lights, internet service, and the ability to charge their devices. proving that everyday life relies heavily on a stable power supply. Another social media personality questioned the official explanation and encouraged viewers to think critically and continue asking questions. While stopping short of making any definite claims, he suggested that people should stay informed and pay attention to development instead of accepting every explanation at face value. Meanwhile, others respond by saying there is no reason for unnecessary panic. They pointed out that naval ships have visited Jamaica water for many years and that temporary blackouts are not uncommon in different parts of the world due to equipment failures, maintenance issues, or unexpected problems within the electrical system. As the debate continues online, one thing is certain: the blackout has become more than just a power outage. It has sparked conversation about infrastructure, emergency preparedness, communication with the public, and the speed at which information and speculation spread across social media. Many Jamaicans are now open for greater transparency and improvement to the electrical system to reduce the chance of similar disruption in the future. At the same time, others are reminding everyone to separate confirmed facts from rumors and wait for official investigation before drawing conclusion. No matter which side of the discussion people support, the event has certainly become one of the most talked about stories of the week, generating thousands of comments, debates, and reaction both in Jamaica and among the diaspora worldwide. What do you think? Was the outage simple at technical issues, or do you believe there are still unanswered questions? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the discussion respectful. So, guys, those are some of the biggest stories currently making waves in Jamaican entertainment and social media. Congratulations once again to Buju Banton on receiving another international honor, and we will continue following the latest developments surrounding Vybz Kartel and Ricky Trooper and everything happening in the dancehall culture. Until next time, stay safe, stay positive, and thanks for watching.